Tori for today. Presido Buhari don congratulate Nigerian Afrobeat stars Burna Boy and Wizkid. Presido Muhammadu Buhari don congratulate Nigerian music star Damini Ogulu, wey dem know as Burna Boy, as e win the Best Global Music Album category for the 2021 Grammy Awards. Im con say Burna Boy don make notable contributions for the field of music wey the world don come recognize, and im don bring glory to Nigerians wey dey house and wey dey outside the country. Presido con still congratulate Wizkid wey emerge as joint winner for the Grammy Awards for another category. Im come acknowledge the creative effort of forerunners like King Sunny Ade and Femi Kuti wey don first get Grammy nominations, as dem create way wey don bring Nigerian music to global level. Presido say im believe say the record-breaking musical achievement na to show say we get creative talent for we country, and the awards go open doors to other aspiring citizens. Dis na the ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una on top the tori for today, as Presido Buhari don congratulate Nigerian Afrobeat stars Burna Boy and Wizkid. My name na Chidima Anichukwu.